Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add customizable halos. So let's start. First, press Shift A, then go to Curve and add Circle. Then move it on top of your head to the side. Then press Shift A again, Curve, and this time move Circle. Now go to this tab right here that has like a little curve. Go to Geometry and go to Bevel and select Object. And then select the other circle that's at the side. And then your character will have an afro. In order to decrease the afro, select your other circle and make it smaller. As you can see here, we're going to have our little halo. Now you can customize by going to edit mode and messing around with it with the little dots, or you can just play around with this circle. But if you go to edit mode, as you can see here, you can move it around, play with it. But an interesting thing is, if you select all of them and you select the handle type and let's choose vector, you can do stuff like this. As you can see here, I added little dents. Let's play around with the other ones as well. As you can see here, I created some weird type of halo. You can play around with it, you can subdivide it and add more of these handles, and then you can just go back to your halo, go to edit mode, and just play around with it and mess around with it to create your own custom halos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to get notified for more tutorials. Bye bye!